Hi guys, today we're gonna do this pendulum effect using expressions only and no keyframes. First of all, let's start by creating our new project and create a new composition. Let's check for the composition properties, create new shape, add our first circle, and let's center the pivot point and align it to our composition. Then let's name it this the bottom circle, and let's create the rope. It's going to be swinging, and then create the second circle after naming this one the rope, and center the okay, let's center it again, and let's name this the top circle, and then scale down a little bit. Let's connect the bottom circle to the rope and the rope to the top circle. Now, our scene is ready now to apply our expression. We need to do this movement, but using expressions. So I will apply the expression in the top circle. First of all, write math.sin, and inside the brackets, type time times 10. Okay, now we have got a movement, but it's not what we need here. The sign, anything by in the sign equation is between 0 and 1. So we need to raise this. So we are gonna multiply it by 10. So we have a wider range of movement, but I need a wider range, so I will multiply it by maybe 50. I think this is a little bit high, but it's okay. Now it looks fine, but we need to decay it over time, so we are gonna put the whole expression between brackets and divide it by math.exponential expression. So this will decay it over time, and add a time factor to the exponential. So that's what we got. Now that's we need to our animation to look like, and our curves to look like too. So it's decay over time. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and see you next week.